Okay, you can start whenever you're ready, okay?
Sir, I am ready. If you allow me to start, I can start now.
Okay, yeah, go ahead, Meet.
Okay, sir. Next slide. Yeah, this is the Google Map and site locator, and as there is no TP scheme in Maharashtra, so I've just put up the both aerial and satellite view of this location. Next slide. Yeah, location is Kalyan Village, Wakola, Santa Cruz East, Mumbai. Area of the land is 780 square meters, and in square yard it's 933, and in square feet it's 8,396. uh, TP schemes are not there in Maharashtra, so there is something called CST number, which is 5609. Then again some details: Kalyan, Santa Cruz and Maharashtra Development Authority. It's totally residential zone R, and FSI is 3 because it's fully developed. Total built up area in square feet is 25,800 around, and total super built up area is 42,884 square feet. Market price of land per square feet is 20,000, and the rest are being calculated. Next slide. Yeah, betterment charge I couldn't found because there is no TV schemes or such arrangements. So instead of survey number, they have instead of TP scheme number, they have Hissa number, something similar to Sat Bar Utaro, which contains the registration date and ownership and all. And this is 158A is plot number, final plot number. Circle rate I couldn't found for the uh, open land, but yeah, I have found for this residential and commercial respectively. Stamp duty is 5%. It was 6% up till 2020, 31st March, and then from the 1st May, I guess, or 1st April, I guess, it has been reduced by the 1%. Then GST rate is 5% without ITC for residential, and with ITC for 12%. ITC is input tax credit, and 18% for commercial. Then check value for project land and land plus construction. Here I have added both land and construction. The Jantri rate for the land is 5,850 around, and then I have added the construction cost in check value as well as in the cash value. So this is the total value of the project is 21,500 per square feet. Uh, Project concept, project name is Crescent Imperia. Type of project is residential project. Number of units is 55, and type of units 2 BHK. The target customers are mostly middle class people. Existing price range of the project is 1.7 to 1.8 CR. If the 3 BHK project is supposed to place there, then suggested price range would be 2.8 to 2.9 CR maybe. Location analysis, neighborhood characters: Kalina bus stop, Santa Cruz East railway station, Villepalle airport is near, just 10 minutes away. 400 pph for neighborhood. This is the mistake in foresight that I haven't edited the third point. This which is upcoming or developed or underdeveloped. It is fully developed area and mostly residential, with some of the commercial complexes which are basically basic requirements of the residential ones. So the neighborhood character is the main potential in the location. Other than that, Juhu Beach is 6 kilometers away, and Villepalle Airport is also nearby. So, and one BKC junction. One BKC is one of the biggest site of the nearby area, which is called as the landmark of that area. So it is also the nearby the locate in nearby vicinity. So, and 12 to 15 projects are going on in vicinity, and price range is 1 CR to 8 CR in between for residential only.
BKC stands for what? Bandra Kurla Complex?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, marketing mix. Place, as stated above, it is situated in, near Santa Cruz and other location. Place is fully residential. Then price, as this is situated in, it's near some of the class location, but also in a village, prices are also kept quite low. Then product, it is a fully residential campus with given allotted parking and with garden, gym, and many more amenities. Promotion, by providing holdings and creating professional website, 3D modelings, and walkthrough videos, and promoting through advertisement in paper and listed real estate apps such as 99 Acres, Makan, or Housing, etc. USP, the price under which it is been offered is also an advantage in such a middle location. Basic amenities are also provided with limited flights. The airport is quite near to many other. In this price, it is in city like Mumbai difficult to find the house in such location. So this is the USP. Then next slide. Yeah, this is the investment and predicted phases of the market. I have put up the uh, market stages in as per my site, as in 12 crores in first quarter, then around 7.5 crores in second, and then 1 crore in last stage. In third phase, in third quarter, when 1 CR is been invested, 10 units were sold. So it was in an expansion and oversupply phase. So financial risk was low, and as it was in an expansion and oversupply phase, the market risk also risk also was low. And in first quarter, when it was 12 crores invested in that, it was in a recession period because no units were sold. So financial risk and market risk both were high, respectively.
So all these 3 quarters data, this is the past quarters data. These are not future quarters.
Sorry, sir.
This data you shown for financial risk and market risk in
Yes.
quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3. This is for the time that has already gone by. It's not a forecast.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
No, yeah, sir. Yeah, NPV and IRR value. As in most likely case, both options. In most likely case, we can see the IRR is higher in option two. So it is advisable to choose option two because IRR is higher. So returns on the investment will be also on the higher side. This is IRR, expected value, and probability variance. So in the this slide, in the standard deviation of the option two is higher. So as the standard deviation is higher, the volatility of the market is also on the higher side. So it is liable to change. So risk will be on the higher side. So it is advisable to choose the option three because the standard deviation of that is quite less.
Your IRR in the best case is 12.8%. I think that is monthly instead of yearly. Same problem is in option 2, where your best case IRR is
Option two, yeah.
8.57%. I think you have not multiplied it by 12.
Yeah, sir. Maybe I have to check it out. So yeah, final summary. As this is the residential area and scheme is also profit making, the risk is higher for the developer. Uh, though from both two options, if developer can choose the second option, as I mentioned, the standard deviation is low and return is also on the higher side. So risk is also lower. So option two will be advisable for developer to earn money and exit the project.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just a minute.
This location of from web. Okay. My project information. Location is Vasal, Ahmedabad. Area of land is available 7,344 square meters, and rest is other units. Its TP scheme is a 114. Vastra land is under in Oda. Zone is a residential zone. One is in Ahmedabad East zone. I forgot to edit. And maximum FSI is a 2.7, and total built up is uh, 19,828.8 square meters, and total super built up is 32,950 15.81 square meter. I forgot. I can't find betterment charge and gentry value. The stamp duty is 4.9%, and GST rate is 18%. Check value and is land and construction is total 4.01 crores plus 26.8 crores, and total value of project is 30.81 crores. So next. The project concept. This project is residential and 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. In this project, there are 5 blocks and 23 units. Marketing is done by radio, newspaper, and other social media, and also by paid promotions. In this time, market price of this project is 23.53 lakh to 35.57 lakh unit in per square feet, 630 to 953 square feet. In generally 2 BHK rates is 25 lakh to 30 lakhs. So next. Hello. Location analysis. In this area now, many residential sites are under construction, and these area is under development. In future, this area are real estate is in boost because of the metro rail. Uh, nearby area is Vastra Lake is situated about 1 kilometer near. SP Ring Road is situated about 5 projects. His right side of the site is Aswad Madhav 3 is under construction. So next, marketing mix. This project developer is a 30-year experience, so he know customer requirements, so he make a fulfill requirement in the project. Price in this area price range is 25 to 30 lakhs. Plus, this area is developing near the nearby area, so price are rise. Promotion is done by radio 99 acres and other social media platforms. So next, uh, this is a project and market timeline. Investment is required
Vivek,
for
a lot of
yes sir.
a lot of
This
data is missing in your presentation and report, including this slide. So it's difficult to say if the project is a high risk or a low risk when you do not have the phases of the markets written. Okay, so I'm skipping this
sir,
slide.
I forgot it, but I oh,
So okay, I skip the slide. To just talk about the cash flows, we'll
okay.
look at the
This
probability.
case flow.
We will look at the probability analysis directly.
Okay. There is two option, option 1 and 2, 3 BHK and 2 BHK. IRR is the standard deviation is 7.38 for 3 BHK, and for 2 is a 4.31. I choose option 1 because of standard rate high, and the price range is compared to BHK to 3 BHK is good for increased budget and area. So next. So this developer is successful in the many previous project, and in this phase they sold 20% of units. People are so developers history of work also, so his success project and details of the sites.
Hardik, you have taken an existing project and you still don't have a lot of information. Okay.
Sir, it's not existing. It's
The
developing. It start
who are
from
Savalia developers?
June 20, 2019.
Okay, anyways.
Savalia
So
Developers
yeah,
is
no problem.
okay.
You can stop here now.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, Anil, I'm just pulling up your presentation. Just give me a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So should I start?
Uh, yeah, you can start now.
So the screen is not visible. Oh, yes, yes. So hello everyone. Uh, this is my project, that real estate evaluation and management. So now we'll go to the location of the project that I
Yeah, I'm trying to get
chosen.
the second slide up. Hold on. Okay.
So this is the location of the project. We can see that there is Pokhara New Road, in which the apartment that I have chosen is located here. And to the right side, we can see that how many built-up area and open fields are located in the Pokhara Valley. So next slide. So the next slide. So this is some information related to the project. That project is located in Pokhara Valley itself, which is in the province in Nepal. So area of the land in which the project is built up is about 35,359 square feet. About the town planning scheme, about
Anil, your audio is very
single
low.
FSI, and
You might want to switch off your earplugs and try directly using the speaker mic.
okay sir, okay sir, okay sir, okay sir. I.
Yeah,
So this is the FSI and FAR per missile about 4, and total build up available was about 1,41,438 square feet. Similarly, the super build-up area adopted was about 2,30,287, and about the market price of the land was about 2,500 per square feet according to the survey that done. So next slide. So this is the basic taxes payables. About the bitumen charge was about NPR 35 lakhs of that project, and about Jantri value about 1,300 NPR per square feet for open land, and about 1,500 per square feet for the residential. And when it is commercial, it was about NPR 2,500 per square feet. So about HALT is about the housing and land tax, which is in Nepal about 1.5%. And about GST rate on construction was about 25%. And about check value was about 1,13,000 square per meter square. And in case of this square yard, about it was about 94,500. And similarly, in the case of a square feet, it about 10,500. So in next, it is like cash value. So mistake is here, like check value. It's cash value of the project, land plus construction. So it was about 1,94,000 per meter square. And in case of the square yard, it was about 162,000, 1,62,000. And
Similarly, in the case of about a square feet, it was about 1,80,000. So total value of the project was about 1 lakhs and 7,500 per square meter. And similarly, in the case of the square feet, it was about 90,000. So next one.
Yeah, it's coming up. There is a little lag.
So this is the project concept. Project was a Pokhara Residency apartment, which is a residential building developed by the Comfort Goodwill Developers, and it is it is located at the heart of the Pokhara, and also it aims to redefine the living style of the peoples. And apartment with all the modern facility has become a center of attraction in the city. And type was residential apartments with unit 2 BHK, and about the number of flat was 154 numbers. And about the target customer, when talk about target customer, it was a domestic tourist, international tourist, and non-residential Nepali and local people. So now the government had restricted to buy a property for the international tourists. So this option was excluded from that. And now existing price of the project was about NPR 1.4 to 1.8 billions. And now the target price they have supposed that about NPR about 1.9 to 2.5 billions. So next one. So this is the location analysis of the project. First, the population density of that area, the Pokhara Valley was about 868 per square kilometers, and about the people residing in that area, which I have shown in the pie chart here. Population below 20 was about 30%, and about 21 to 40 years is was about 25%, and 40 to 60 years was also about 25%, and above 60 it was about 20%. So from this area, since it is located at the core city, it has better connectivity of the road and all the facilities. And the major sites around that area was Feva Lake, Mahendra Lake, Davis Falls, and New, which was just a couple of kilometers out from there. And about international airport that is being constructed, it was about 6.3 kilometers away from that sites, and about 3 kilometers of domestic airport was there. So the property is suitable for in every possible manner with all the hospitals, education institutions, grocery and shopping streets among other located at the stone thrown away distances, and as well as Fistel hospitals that was around that area about 200 meters. Similarly, Manipal hospital that is located about 10-minute drive from that locations, and about school was 100 meters. Similarly, cinema halls and supermarket was very near from that area. About 107 apartments was undergoing in construction around that area, about radius about 2 to 3 kilometers around that area, and whose price was ranging from about NPR 1 to 2 billions for each project. So next one. So this is the market mix, marketing mix like product promotions, price and places. So about the product, built-up area was about 1,110 square feet with all the facilities like garden, parking, garages, security guards, the backup generator, elevator, swimming pool, gymnasium, etc. And location was about location USP was Pokhara 9, New Road, Mahendrapur, and brand name about Pokhara Residency Buildings, and product BSK design residential apartments, and package was about 1.3 to 1.4 crore. And promotion about different media promotions. Media partners were there like HamraBazaar.com, MeraGhar.com, and advertisement. They were advertised in Kantipur Daily newspaper for the promotion of their project. And place to visit for the customer was Comfort Goodwill Developers, its office itself, and brokerage office like GharBazaar.com at Kathmandu, and MeraGhar.com. So about price of about discount, they have given discount about 5%, and about credit terms and payment dates, I had no idea. I searched, but I did not found it. So next slide, please. So please, next slide. Hello?
Yeah, I've changed the slide. There is a lag.
Okay. ESP, this is the ESP highlight of the project. It is located in the heart of Nepal, most south after the tourism destination, that is Pokhara. And most of the apartments will have either mountain view like Mount Annapurna, Mount Masapute of south of the sun. Understanding the need of the healthy body, mind, and Pokhara residency feature host of the facility like swimming pool, community hall, yoga halls, and different parking spaces about capacity to accommodate about 160 four-wheelers were available there with good security systems. And a temple were built up to keep positive energy and vibration around that spaces, and safe playing spaces for children, natural greenery, and spacious garden landscape and seasonal flowers in the gardens. And every living rooms or dining spaces features a standard balcony offering stunning views in the Pokhara Valley. So next one.
Yeah, just give me 2 seconds because it takes little lag.
Okay. So this is the project and marketing timelines. So during the first quarter, investment was about NPR Nepali rupees about 23.84 crore. In second quarter, it was 27 crore. In third quarter, it was about 34.03 crore. And similarly, in fourth quarter, 24, and last quarter, it was 30.33 crore. And about the phase of the market cycles, since the construction project was going on, and it was considered to be expansion phases in the first, second, third, and fourth, and even in fifth quarters. And similarly, about the financial risk, initially it was a high risk of the project in first, second, and third quarters. And after fourth quarter and fifth quarters, when apartments they were sold out or they're in the process of selling, the market prices were low. So this is the cash flow of the projections about the when option 1 it is of 3 BHK and option 2 2 BHK. So this is how IRR and NPV value is given for best cases most likely and worst cases in both of the cases. So this is the probability analysis of the both options, option A and option B. So there is a larger variance in the option 1 which is 3 BHK than the 2 BHK. So you can see here is a standard deviation of separately it has been given like 42.25 for the 1 BHK, and similarly in 2 BHK we can say in best cases about 16.4. So variance we can say in best cases was 1785 in case of 3 BHK, that is in option 1, and in 2 BHK it was 269, which is quite lower than the variance which is in 3 BHK, that is in option 1. The next one. So while concluding that option 1 and option 2, so there was less variance found in option 2, that is 2 BHK. So since it's less risky, although the return in the it was less in comparison with the option 1. So I prefer to choose about 2 BHK than the 3 BHK because when you study the scenario of the Pokhara Valley, most of the family are nuclear family, and they will be here to buy the 2 BHK than 3 BHK as it is cost effective, and they can afford it properly.
Okay.
So that was my presentation. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Anand. Yeah, you can turn off your
Thank you, sir.
video now. Yeah.